everybody, welcome back to the results video. Before I get started, I've got a new Facebook group. Feel free to join it. Let me know what you think. Anyway, I want to thank everybody that participated and gave me their stories. But without further ado, the winner is Zach. Thank you so much for your story and your submission. Robert had a really tough time picking a winner, but I think he made a good choice. And for those of you, here is Zach's story. Zach, reach out to me, and this red third brake light is all yours, buddy. So message me, email me, whatever. Let me know.